get my energy from my energy. I'm being out of space, but I got inner peace. So tell my enemies that they can't injure me. I know that irritates. You have my sympathies. Well, you should protest. Yeah, you should look at me. I'm on a losing strike. I'm on a winning streak. I'm out in left field. I'm speaking mentally, but that's a better place than where the bitches be. I'm feeling really good. Me and my therapy. Me and my second drummer. He played the symphonies. See, that's what got me here. You hearing me? Me on my black man in the future shit. Call me Billy D. See, I'm just forward looking. That's how I really see. See why you Valentine.